Great Florida FCCLA. It's your Vice President of Community Service, Alexandria Daniels. Today, we're going to be talking about the National Program Community Service. FCCLA offers 8 peer-to-peer educational programs to help students develop real-world skills for life within family and consumer sciences education. Each national program is designed to be integrated into FCS classroom to help reinforce lessons with opportunities for hands-on practice. These programs include lesson plans, activities, curriculum, and project ideas that can be used in the classroom. Whether within a chapter or school-wide, students can make an impact using the FCCLA planning process to implement their national program project. Engaging young people in service is more than a feel-good activity. Service results in very real student learning in areas such as applied academics, career preparation, character development, and technical skills. Problem-solving ability in real-life situations increases more for students engaged in service to the community, and young people learn more valuable leadership skills such as critical thinking, group interaction, community skills, organizational skills, empathy, patience, and flexibility. By interacting in the community, young people develop values and are seen as valuable resources and community assets. What are community service projects? FCCLA community service projects range from simple one-time efforts to multifaceted ongoing programs. All can be valuable learning experiences for students. The essential elements of an FCCLA community service project are student leadership in developing, planning, implementing, and evaluating the project, connecting what's learned in the classroom to a real need with real people and local community, student use of the FCCLA planning process, and a sense of personal connection to those who will benefit from the service. Did you know that people who volunteer discover they get more than they give? Youth who volunteer just 1 hour per week are 50% less likely to abuse drugs, alcohol, or cigarettes or engage in destructive behavior. Youth who volunteer are more likely to do well in school, graduate, and vote. How can you really boost the power and impact of what you learn in the classroom? Combine what you're learning with meaningful service to the community. Service learning is focused on working with students to identify community need and apply what they've been learning through the curriculum while meeting the community need. The FCCLA Community Service National Peer Education Program guides students to develop, plan, carry out, and evaluate projects to improve the quality of life in their communities. Through their projects, members experience chapter development and improve their critical and creative thinking, interpersonal communication, practical knowledge, and career preparation. Youth leaders learn more about themselves, others, and the world so that they can make a difference now and in the future. There are 3 national program units within the Community Service National Program. Learn. Students explore personal values, ethics, and ethical decision-making while evaluating their community needs. Lead. Students learn how to use their leadership skills to serve their community and how to transfer those servant leadership skills to the workplace. And serve. Students are introduced to their critical community partnerships and advocacy play in serving the needs of others while also developing their own community-based service. This is how to participate in our state and national community service project. FCCLA is constantly looking for new methods to continue its community involvement. An approach we take to this is by means of our annual community service endeavor. FCCLA and the organization We Help Too are collaborating this year. The idea behind We Help Too was that 2 causes can be served by fundraising done well. Through the stock donation We Help Too has established, organizations have been able to touch their local community while also raising funds for their cause thanks to their innovative fundraising approach. Through collaboration with We Help Too, FCCLA, and all contributors may assist thousands of people who need access to clean water and socks who are not as fortunate as many of us. While participating in the community service helps many people in need, and it also gives many opportunities for FCCLA members and advisors. Thank you for participating in our community service workshop. I hope you've been inspired to help many others in your community.
If you have any questions, please feel free to email info@flfccla.org.